What's poppin', people? It's your boy Ganny. Welcome back to another video. For the people that don't know me, I'm an eBay dropshipper and also a part-time eBay reseller, as I do this on the side. I've been slacking this week, kind of. I've been busy with other stuff. I did have a lot of job interviews as I'm graduating this year from university, so I do kind of want to make sure that I do focus on that one. And you know, you got to think about your future. So right now, this is kind of a side hustle I'm doing, my eBay dropshipping and my eBay reselling. This kind of side hustle, and hopefully in the near future, this might be something I'll do full time. But yeah, in this video today, I'm gonna show you what all my items that I've sold this week on my store. This week, I haven't been really going to charity shops as I've been really busy. But yeah, hopefully from this week, I'm gonna try to go to a lot more and everything. But yeah, let's get into the video. Yes, sir, and we're back. Guys, I'm sorry if my sound isn't good. My mic decided to act up, and I don't know what's wrong with it, but I can't use that mic. I need to buy a new mic, so I am using my phone's mic, so please do bear with me. Let's get into all my items that I've sold this week on my store. Right, cool. Before I go into what's sold on my store, if you did watch my last video, I tried auction. What's auction? So it's when you list an item and you put a starting bid, and people can just basically bid until the duration of the timer, which could be 3 days, 7 days, has ended, and then the winner with the highest bid wins the auction. So yeah, 2 of my wee bundles, I tried that on, and the same customer on both of them, which is kind of weird. But yeah, that happened, and then but the customer didn't pay. So then I was thinking like, oh, is the customer gonna pay? Am I being scammed? I don't know what's happening. But yeah, a couple of days later, customer did pay up for both of them, so that's really nice. I'll be putting a picture up here quickly for you all to see. Yep. So I did ship them off. One of the wheat bundles, shipping was £17 as it weighed, I think around 7 kg, which is kind of expensive, and I didn't know about that. So one tip for all of you: do learn about shipping costs, as if you did know about it before you start reselling, it'll be, you'd be a little bit more educated. However, I did learn this on the go, so I'm gonna learn from my mistakes, and I'm gonna try use other delivery services, shipping delivery services. So yeah, that's all good. Item number 1 I sold in my store is a Super Mario Galaxy with a Wii controller. I sold it for £17. I made a couple profits with that. Item number 2 is a Skullduggery book collection. Here you go. It's brand new. I picked up for TK Maxx for a £5. I sold one of them already for £19.99. And again, shipping was £11 because the book collection weighs over 3 kg. Which is annoying. But I did make my money back, and I made maybe £1 profit on it. So I did put this price a little bit higher, as I do need to at least try and make some profit with the items. Item number 3 is a Kinect sensor for the Xbox 360 with the Kinect Adventures game. I picked this up for the Kinect. I picked up for £2 and the game for £1. And I sold it for $12.99 plus £3.50 shipping. That customer also pays. Item number 4 is a Star Wars puzzle. I picked up in a bundle for £5 with 4 different items. I sold it for £7 plus customer also pays for £3.10 shipping. I am kind of playing around with the shipping price. Some of the items you might see free shipping, some of the items you might see I do charge for shipping, as I am kind of experimenting to see what customers are more likely to buy. You know what I'm saying? And then I sold 2 DVDs from the DVD bundle I bought with Monopoly board game for £12. It was around 16 DVDs and the board game for £12. So the first DVD, Survivalist, sold for $2.49, and then the second DVD, Acts of Vengeance, the Blu-ray version with a cover, sold for £3 plus $1.59 shipping charge, that extra that the customer do pay for. And then second last item is this Guitar Hero for the PlayStation. I don't know what PlayStation. It might be PlayStation 3 or 4. I'm not sure. Not really into Guitar Hero, but it did sell. I watched one of other eBay resellers videos on YouTube, and they did say that Guitar Hero do go for a little bit of money. I picked this up for £2, and I sold it for £21.99p plus $4.99 shipping. So that's a nice little profits I made there. These are all the items that I sold on eBay, and my other items sell on Facebook Marketplace, as I do like to expand what platform I do sell my items on. The last item is Mario Kart with 2 wheel accessories. I picked, this was already in the Wii bundle, so I kind of broke it. I broke it down and I just took out the Mario Kart and the 2 wheel accessories, as Mario Kart is a very popular game and everyone loves it. With the 2 wheel accessories, just to add a little bit more value on the game, and I sold it for £15. Maybe I could have got a little bit more, but yeah, I bet the person halfway, and then just a smooth transaction. This week I'm gonna try go to a lot more charity shops and boot sales, as I do want to reinvest all the profits that I've made for my items that I've sold, as I do want this business to grow and hopefully turn into a full-time income. I do appreciate all of you for staying to the end of this video. If you are subscribed, I appreciate it so much, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do hit the thumbs up, do hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to be notified when I do upload, as over 60% of people who do watch my content are not even subscribed. Please, guys, come on. It's literally free to subscribe. But yeah, do subscribe if you want to subscribe. I'm not going to force no one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, your subscription would be appreciated, as this would motivate me to put more content out for all of you. But yeah, I appreciate all of you for staying till the end of this video. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.